Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Electric. Myself Piyush and today's topic of our video is starter in DC motor. We will take a closer look in construction and working of 2-point starter and 3-point starter. So let's get started right away. Need of starter. As you can see in the equivalent circuit, EB is opposition to the supply voltage. So IA is equal to net voltage upon resistance, where net voltage is equal to V minus EB upon RA, where EB is equal to phi Zn into P upon A, where phi is the magnetic flux, Z is number of conductor, N is speed of motor in RPS, P is number of poles, and A is number of parallel path. In running condition, EB is large and IA is small. But during starting condition of motor is at rest. So speed is 0, so EB is also 0. Therefore, IA is given as IA equal to V upon RA. The armature resistance is very small. Therefore, if motor is started directly on supply, the starting armature current will be very high due to absence of back EMF. This high current could damage the armature winding or damage the insulation of motor and produce excessive heat, which is not acceptable. Therefore, it is necessary to connect a variable resistance in series with the armature to limit the starting current to a safe limit. Such arrangement is called starter. 3-point starter for DC shunt motor. Firstly, we will take a closer look in construction of 3-point starter. As you can see in the figure, 3-point starter consists of 3 terminals, namely L, F and A. L is connected to the positive terminal of DC supply. F is connected to the field winding and A is connected to the armature winding. Negative terminal of DC supply is connected to the combination of F2 and A2. Starter mainly consists of high resistance with stud marked 1, 2, 3 and so on. Field winding is connected to the brass strip through no volt release, which is also known as hold on coil. DC supply is connected to the motor through overload release and handle is moved from position 1. Handle has a spring and is required to be moved against the spring pressure. Now we will take a closer look in working of 3-point starter. Switch on the DC supply. Till handle is at off position, motor will not start because the circuit is not completed yet. When handle is moved from off position to the first stud, the line current will be divided into 2 parts. First will be the armature current through the high resistance and second will be through the brass strip to the field winding. As armature current has to flow through the high resistance, its value is reduced to a safe value. Meanwhile, motor gathers speed. As it gathers speed, back EMF is induced and armature current drops further. And now you are safe to move handle to position 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till the entire resistance is cut when motor has reached to its normal speed. Since field current passes through brass strip, its magnitude remains unharmed and starting torque also with running torque are not affected. Now we will take a closer look at the function of no volt release coil and overload release in function of starter. No volt release coil holds the handle in final run position due to force of attraction between electromagnet and magnetic plate on handle. As you can see in the figure, this magnetic material plate sticks to the electromagnet when handle is moved to the final run position. When supply is interrupted or suddenly goes off, then the force of attraction is not sufficient to hold the handle in run position against the restraining force of spring, and the handle gets released to off position. This is how no volt release coil provides the protection to the motor. Next is overload release. As it carries the load current during the interval of overload, it takes heavy current. Due to this current, it gets magnetized enough to attract the strip towards it, thereby short-circuiting no volt release through internal connection. As you can see in the figure, when motor is overloaded, the overload release takes heavy current. Therefore, it attracts the strip towards it, thereby creating an internal short circuit which stops the motor. 2-point starter for DC series motor. 2-point starter is similar to 3-point starter except that there is no separate brass strip to pass the current to the field winding. In this starter, the same current passes through the field winding as well as the armature winding. I hope that you have understood the concept of starter in this session. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon for the notification of more such videos. Thank you.